Hey, thanks for joining us here. We know you're busy, so we're going to keep this quick. I'm Rachel Sklar, and I'm a parent coach and educator.
And I'm Alexis Hasselberger, a time management and productivity coach.
Alexis and I are offering a program called Work Smart, Parent Well. It's a 1 month program that will help your employees confidently manage their dual roles as working parents. I've spent over 15 years helping working parents find grace and ease in their lives. And more than ever right now, parents need help to figure out how to parent and teach and manage a household and work, all while staying patient and sane. In my workshops, I share strategies for helping kids be more independent during the workday and, things like what to do when kids interrupt meetings and how to organize meal times so that they're not chaotic. And I generally help parents set realistic expectations and understand the way their child's brain works. I'm really thrilled to partner with you, Alexis, so that we can up-level our work and make an even bigger difference in the world of working parents, because I really believe we're stronger together.
I am really excited for this too. Throughout the pandemic, I've been helping working parents to offload the mental load so that they can confidently keep track of everything on their plate at work and at home without letting things slip. I help people to mitigate distractions and to regain focus, even when they're being pulled in so many different directions, just like they are right now. Working parents have been hit really hard, and they're leaving the workforce in droves. They want to be productive, they want to stay in their jobs, but they need new skills and strategies. Through this program, your employees will gain the skills to excel at work and at home. This problem isn't getting any better on its own, so contact us today.
And believe us, we are going to make this extremely easy for you. It's 1 month. We've got all the details sorted out for you, and we're looking forward to hearing from you.